Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the Flowed Mix 7. It's a 7 device mixing station. So if you're into making music, or you can even mix live with this one here. So it's kind of cool. It gives you the ability to, have different volumes for different microphones or music devices or whatever like that. So we're gonna check this thing out and see how it is. And it comes with, we have our power adapter that's gonna have that little regular 3-prong, can't remember what it's called, but the one that connects up to it. And then we have our mixing thing here. It's got some good weight to it. It's made out of metal. It's got kind of heavy, but here we go. So you see, you got all your different volume settings for each one. They nice, smooth sliding, and you can do all your different settings with these. You have your different line ins and outs. You can do the mic inputs with the 3-prong mics, just like everything else. It's gonna be your main volume here, 48 volts. Oh, I guess that's gonna be the power. And you got a little screen here for your digital MP3 player. So if you wanna pull it in through there, power is gonna go in through there. You got the main on and off switch up there. So it's really cool. So you've got all the different settings for each microphone, so you can have them each running individually, and it's definitely manual settings. So as you go, you can be, the guitar guy's making too much noise, you can just turn him off while you turn the rest of the people on. So really cool. So if you're into making music and you've got more than one microphone coming into your system, having a mixer is pretty crucial for that. So a very cool device. I like it. It's nice and heavy. And let me show you guys here that came with a manual as well. So we have our manual on how to use it. If you did need any help with it, I mean, this is kind of the instructions. You could probably pause it and zoom in. But let's see if there's anything magical in here that I'm missing. Probably not. But kind of is the next page here. So there's that. That was pretty much it, I think. Yeah, and we just got a picture of it and what all the different things are. It's funny, it's got them all numbered down there, but it doesn't say what the numbers are for. Maybe they're on the next page. No. It's funny, it has everything numbered, but it doesn't necessarily say what number 24 is. But you get the idea. If you're into mixing music and sound stuff, you'll know how to use this because it's pretty straightforward. So really cool. Thumbs up from me.